What's going on, everyone? If you love doing hard enduro riding, picking your way through rock gardens, or making it over the gnarliest log hops that you possibly can, you already know the bottom of your bike is going to take an absolute beating. That right here is why Tusk has brought out the UHMW Severe Impact Skid Plate. This is purpose built for hard enduro riding. And I want to tell you all about the one that we've got for the new generation 250 and 300 two-strokes from the KTM brand. Now this is going to be an awesome skid plate if you're looking for maximum protection and maximum durability, making sure that you can stay out on the trails no matter how gnarly the terrain is that you're tackling. And we'll get into why. We're going to start off with the materials and the construction of this thing. This is made out of 3/8 inch thick UHMW. That's ultra high molecular weight polyethylene. And the reason that we use this is it's super durable. In fact, this is the same stuff that we use for our UTV skid plates. If it's gonna hold up under a 2,000 pound UTV, it's gonna do awesome on the bottom of your dirt bike out in hard enduro riding. Now, a couple big things that I do wanna point out to you and that I love about this is we make this in-house right here in Payson, Utah. We perfected the way to make this, and it took us a long time. And the main reason for that is a big goal that we had with this was we wanted to make it without any welded seams. As you look over this skid plate, there is no seams in this. This is all one piece, and then it's molded to fit the bike. And again, that took months of research and months of toying with that to perfect this. Now, one thing that I love most about UHMW for skid plates is UHMW is slick. The big reason that that's a big deal is while you're out picking your way through rock gardens or hopping over those logs, UHMW is going to slide or glance off of those objects. A lot of other materials, especially like aluminum, will snag, stopping forward momentum and sending you right over the bars. UHMW won't do that, and that's a big thing that makes this really stand out. Now, the next thing that we're going to talk about is protection and fitment. As you look over this thing, this holds to the bottom of the bike as tight as possible. That's going to give you maximum ground clearance, but it's also, as you look over it, it curves up on the sides. This gives you added protection for things like your ignition cover and your water pump, all the while making sure the bottom of your bike is nice and protected. Now, we do offer this for the KTMs with and without linkage. And as you can see with this model, this is the XC model, it's got the linkage suspension, and so this has got a built-in linkage guard. Man, there's nothing worse than gliding over a rock and running into the end of your skid plate and smashing right into that expensive linkage and lower shock mount. You don't want to do that, and that's why we've purpose-built this with that linkage guard. Now, when it comes to putting this on your bike, installation is a breeze. We've got an awesome how-to video where Charles walks you through how to exactly put this on this machine. To install this, there's two brackets. You've got aluminum in the front, steel in the back. When it comes time to maintain your bike, it's very easy. You're going to take out the two front bolts, and that bracket set will actually stay on your frame. And then you'll remove the two rear side bolts, and that rear bracket will come off. It's very easy. Now, we offer this for a lot of the KTM models as well as the Yamaha YZ250. If you want to get yours, make sure your bike's got maximum coverage for that hard enduro riding. Be sure to go to the link below or go to RockyMountainATVMC.com to get yours. These are machine specific. We've tailor fit them to every single model to make sure that you get the best fitment possible. So be sure to put your machine year, make, and model in as you look at this. As always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, and thank you so much for watching.